In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a Wise account in Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the navigation bar across the top of the screen and click on Accounting. When the drop-down menu appears, select Bank Accounts. This takes you to the section where all of your bank accounts are managed within Xero. After the Bank Accounts page opens, look for the option labeled Add Bank Account. Click on it to begin adding your Wise account. Once you've selected Add Bank Account, you'll be asked how you want to add the account. Since there isn't a direct bank feed for Wise, look toward the top right corner of the page and choose Add Without Bank Feed. Selecting this option allows you to create the account manually instead of connecting it through an automatic bank feed. The account setup form will now appear. This is where you'll enter the details for your Wise account. Take your time and complete each required field carefully. Enter the account name you want to use for your Wise account. Make sure the name is easy to recognize so you can quickly identify it later when reviewing your accounts. Next, choose the appropriate account type if you're prompted to do so. Continue completing any remaining fields that Xero requires for the account setup. As you enter the information, check that every detail matches your Wise account. Taking a moment to review the information before continuing helps ensure the account is created correctly. Once you've finished entering all of the required details, review everything one final time. Confirm that the account name, account type, and any other information you've entered are correct. After you've verified the information, click Add Account. This completes the setup process and creates your Wise account inside Xero. Once the account has been added, it will appear in your list of bank accounts alongside your other financial accounts. From there, you can use it to keep track of your Wise account activity manually within Xero. If you ever need to review the account details, you can return to the Bank Account section through the Accounting menu and select the account you've created. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.